Determining fault for a car crash is critical because this decision holds the at-fault driver's insurance responsible for paying for resulting damages. The investigating officer on the scene will make the first determination of who is at fault in a collision. But officers usually don't witness accidents, and their collision reports are based on their opinions of what happened. So their judgment isn't always final. Your lawyer can also investigate the accident to collect additional evidence. They would then present their case to the other driver's insurance company in order to hold them accountable. Sometimes the insurance company offers a fair settlement after negotiating with the lawyer. Other times, the case has to go to court. At this point, the judge would determine who is at fault and how much the insurance company must pay the victim. If you have a complex car accident case, call Mason Law today for a free consultation. We can help you determine whether you should pursue legal action against the other driver's insurance and navigate your next steps.